And here is a nest, a whole bunch of baby turtles coming out. Wow. These are the Olive Ridley, Senor? Olive
Sorry?
Ridley?
This is the Olive Ridley,
Right.
yes. It's the smallest species. Now they are like sleeping because it's cold. But when the sun is coming, they feel better and they can go to the water.
You gotta be careful where you walk here because there are a lot of nests around. You have the babies coming out. Be careful where you walk, honey. They're all coming out of the nest. Yeah. See right here? Right here? They're coming out. Okay, good morning guys. We are here at Ostional Wildlife Refuge, and we're here for the nesting process of the Olive Ridley turtles. We made out here in time for some of the turtles coming onto the beach and laying their eggs, and also we got a chance to see some turtles, the babies coming out of the nest as well. So we thought I'd take you along here and show you the different sites here of the refuge and also the turtles that are nesting. But here's some babies right here. So these babies are making their way to the ocean. These are called Olive Ridley. Super cute. Yeah, so we got up this morning. We had to get up at about 3:30, 4 o'clock this morning. We made it out here by 5 o'clock in the morning to come out here. Turtles are starting to show up here. We also have turtles on the beach already that are laying their eggs, and some of them have laid their eggs already, so they're going back into the ocean. And also, you have to be careful where you walk because you have also these little babies that are hatching and they're going to the ocean, so be careful. Up, see? You can see them. So yeah, so this park is really pretty. All the turtles out here, they're kind of scattered all over. But like I mentioned earlier, you have to be careful because you're walking, and then next thing you know, you're seeing these baby turtles that are on the ground. So you gotta be careful where you walk. Our tour guide. So as you can see, the turtles are heading back into the ocean.
Hey guys, let's go.
So the way that we understand it is that the ones that can move fast back into the ocean, they're a little bit younger, and the ones that are moving a little bit slower to get back into the ocean are the older ones. And as you can see over there, we got the vultures that are eating the eggs. It's come to our understanding from our tour guide that a lot of the turtles that lay the eggs are actually digging up other turtles' eggs, because there's so much, since there's so little space on the beach, that they're basically digging up other turtles' eggs, and that way the vultures actually are then eating those eggs that are dug up by the other turtles. So okay, we're gonna go see if we can see some of the turtles that are laying their eggs. So we're gonna go over here and check it out.
Now you can see the face, the beak is like a parrot. So parrot means lora in Spanish.
She's actually digging out the hole. Wow, it's amazing. Oh no, so she found a hole that has eggs in it already. And so now she's digging at the hole. So that happens quite a bit here. We'll see if we can get a video of this where the mama's laying her eggs.
Entonces puede ir a eso.
See if we can get a video of the new one laying eggs here.
Me lo tenés que mandar a mí.
Also, if you see when she's laying eggs, she put a liquid on the egg. The name of the liquid is mucilagul, and it is very, very important because protect the eggs from the bacteria.
Now she's covering up the
Ay, mira,
nest.
no tiene una aleta.
It's possible this turtle is not ready to hatch, but when the turtle opened the nest, abrió también este otro. The hole is around 40 centimeters deep.
Wow.
She's camouflaging the hole. Final process before she heads back to the ocean. Now she's heading back to the ocean. Yeah, one of the sad realities of this process is that we have a lot of turtles out here that are also dying from old age, and they lay the eggs and then they die on the beach. And now we have vultures out here that are eating the big turtles, the old turtles that have passed away. So very sad. Okay, she's in the wave, and she's gonna make it back here. Wait for another wave here to come in. This wave should do it. There she goes. If you find yourself in Costa Rica and you find yourself near Nosara, Costa Rica, stop by Ostional and you'll see the turtles nesting, as well as maybe see some baby turtles hatching as well. Yeah. This beach is really long, and as you can see, there's just turtles that are just staggered out all over the beach here. Some of the turtles are finished their process, are heading back to the ocean. I think the next big wave here is going to take her away. Here it comes. And there she goes. And she's off. All right, I think that's going to be it for this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed the video here today. We enjoyed seeing the turtles and also seeing the babies hatch. Also showing the whole entire process of these turtles and how they're laid from the time they dig the holes. We talked earlier about how they actually dig up other turtles' eggs to lay their own eggs. So that our tour guide said that 90% of the eggs that are laid are destroyed by their own turtles or their own other different mothers that lay their eggs. So anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like the video, and I always appreciate your guys' support, and we'll see you back in the next video. Bye. This is the service we use. This is more run by the government, so it is an association that takes care of the facility, and they are non-for-profits. Basically, all the money they make here goes back to taking care of the wildlife refuge. So they do have private people that offer you guided tours, but they are just basically for-profit. So if anything, I recommend go online, check out this association, and sign up here. That way you have money. It's a little bit cheaper, as well as you're getting money back to the association and the refuge.